Cardano has been one of the worst performing major cryptocurrencies this year, with its price down over 6% year to date. And yet, many in the crypto community still believe in its long-term potential. So what's the story in 2025? Is Cardano a smart buy at these levels, or is it a risky bet? At the time of making this video, Cardano's ADA token is trading around 82 cents. That's roughly 73% lower than its all-time high of $3.10, compared to Bitcoin, which is near its record high, and Ethereum, which is only about 50% down from its peak. ADA's decline has been much steeper. For investors who believe in Cardano's future, this could be seen as a major opportunity to buy the dip. Despite the price crash, Cardano remains one of the biggest players in the crypto space. If we exclude stablecoins, only Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, and Dogecoin have larger market caps. So even in a bear market, Cardano still commands significant attention. One of the main reasons for optimism is Cardano's position as a credible alternative to Ethereum. While Ethereum is still the dominant platform for smart contracts and decentralized apps, Cardano has taken a unique and methodical approach to building its infrastructure. Smart contracts went live on the Cardano network back in 2021, and they're still being refined with regular upgrades. The network supports development in multiple programming languages, including Plutus, which is based on Haskell, and Marlowe, which is tailored for financial contracts. Developers are already using Cardano to build decentralized applications. There's DEX Hunter, a cross-chain DEX aggregator. There's MinSwap and WingRiders, which offer decentralized exchange functionality. And there's NMKR, a privacy-focused DeFi platform. On top of that, Cardano has a growing NFT community with popular collections like SpaceBuds and Clay Nation. Another point in Cardano's favor is the pace of development. Cardano regularly rolls out upgrades that enhance its security, scalability, and feature set. One key area of development is sidechains. These allow different projects to launch as separate blockchains while still interacting with the main Cardano network. For those who want to stay updated, platforms like Essential Cardano offer weekly development updates, while the Cardano roadmap outlines long-term milestones across different phases like decentralization, scaling, and governance. But it's not all good news. Cardano still faces significant challenges. For one, adoption of the Cardano ecosystem has been relatively slow. Unlike Ethereum, which has a massive pool of developer tools and support, Cardano's unique architecture makes it harder for developers to jump in. Learning Haskell is a big hurdle for many who are used to building on Ethereum or other EVM-compatible blockchains. This lack of adoption is reflected in Cardano's DeFi stats. According to DeFi Llama, the total value locked on Cardano is around $405 million. That puts it in 22nd place among all blockchains. For comparison, that's a tiny ecosystem when you consider that ADA itself has a market cap of nearly $30 billion. Some say the project needs a killer app to jumpstart real momentum in user activity. Another risk is the broader macroeconomic environment. Trade tensions have been heating up again, with US President Donald Trump imposing sweeping tariffs on imports. This has rattled financial markets and sparked fears of a global economic slowdown. As a result, investors are shifting away from speculative assets, including cryptocurrencies. If these conditions continue, ADA and other altcoins could see further downside. Looking ahead, Cardano's price predictions are mixed. CoinCodex's algorithm forecasts that ADA could reach over $1 in the next few months. Mid-2026, it could fall back to around 55 cents. That would be a drop of almost 29% from its current price. These types of swings are typical for crypto, but they highlight just how speculative ADA remains. So, is Cardano a good investment in 2025? It depends on your time horizon and your risk tolerance. Cardano's development is active, and the roadmap is ambitious. If it continues to deliver and adoption picks up, it could return to previous highs.